exclusive video shows Ukrainian soldiers destroy Russian tank with FPV drone. The Ukrainian drone, costing about $372 to $496, destroys a Russian tank attempting to fire at Ukrainian positions. Kyiv Post obtained an exclusive video showing the Ukrainian military destroying a Russian tank in the Pokrovsky sector using a first-person view FPV drone. The strike group Mosquitoes of the separate Consolidated Reconnaissance Strike Unit of Brodyaga destroyed the tank. A Ukrainian serviceman with a call sign Sil Salt, the commander of the crew that destroyed the tank, told Kyiv Post that the Russians continue conducting offensive actions in the Pokrovsky sector in the Donetsk region. They conducted another assault with the support of tanks and other armored vehicles. The Russian tank tried to fire at the positions of the Ukrainian military but was destroyed with the help of an FPV drone. The video from the drone's camera first shows a direct hit on the tank, then an overhead shot as it continues to burn. The footage quality does not allow for determining exactly which tank model was affected. The cost of the drone used in the mission is approximately HR-15 000-20 000, $372 to $496. This stands in stark contrast to the significantly higher cost of the equipment destroyed. For example, the value of an older Soviet T-72 can cost nearly $500,000. The cost of a new T-72 tank ranges from $3 to $4 million, depending on the configuration. FPV drones, which can drop explosives or serve as kamikaze drones, are causing heavy damage on the battlefield. A Russian soldier recently pleaded on social media to pump shotguns to counter the Ukrainian drones, stating, "Dmytro Lysenko, a drone pilot with the 109th Separate Territorial Defense Brigade of Ukraine's armed forces, hunts for Russian soldiers and heavy armor almost daily in the Donetsk region." He told Kyiv Post that during his